5 annual must-dos for homeowners. There are 5 things that are must-to-do for every homeowner. Number 5, make sure your property taxes are in line with your home value. If it's higher than what the value is, you can appeal that with the county. Number 4, make sure you have emergency fund and save some reserve. For whatever reason, if something breaks, you're going to need that money to replace it and take care of it. Also, the most important thing about a reserve is you're going to have peace of mind throughout the whole year. Number 3, doing maintenance throughout the year on your property. Whether it's the roof, HVAC, electrical, or plumbing, or anything else that needs attention, have your maintenance done and stay on top of it. Number 2, reevaluate the home insurance you have on your property. Make sure you have the right amount of coverage for your property. When houses appreciate, our insurance policy does not go up with the value of your home. Therefore, if you don't have enough coverage and God forbid anything happens to your house, you could be in trouble. Also, consider to shop around for the best rate for your insurance. And number 1, refinance your mortgage when the rates drop. Right now, the rates are very high. We are helping a lot of people buying homes. Some of them are buying homes at 7%. However, these rates are going to drop. Keep an eye on the rate. When the rate drop, refinance and get a better interest rate to lower your payments. Follow me for more real estate advice. Mike and Team Tchobanian.